couple, my Pisu Sri Lankan wife right here. Home there, Machan. 7 countries, a bunch of times in Sri Lanka, a bunch of times in those. What's up, everybody? We're about to take a walk. Just wanted to say hello to everybody. It's Saku and Greg, your favorite Sri Lankan and New York couple. My Pisu Sri Lankan wife right here. That means crazy because she is. We are here in Anuradhapura for a little while. You know, we've been traveling for 2.5 years, and everybody thinks, like, you know, look, our lives are great. Don't get me wrong. I love traveling. I love the experiences we've had. Cambodia, Nepal, Dubai, Malaysia, Thailand, what else? Vietnam. Anyone else I'm leaving out?
Yeah, 7 countries.
That's it, yeah. 7 countries, a bunch of times in Sri Lanka, a bunch of times in those countries. And it's been amazing. But it's tiring. You know, it's hard when, even though we spend a month in each place, we always get an apartment generally. If we're in a place for like a few days, just, you know, a place within a place, then we'll get a hotel. But generally we'll stay in an apartment and we'll cook. We'll just treat it as our home. So we're always looking for something nice.
We'll show our neighborhood.
Yeah, here, I'm gonna turn this around. So yeah, we decided because, you know, Dhananjani lived here, so she got to see our family very regularly, but the last time we were here was a year ago, the same time we were here. And we're probably, you know, not too long from now, we're going to be taking off for a while. And so we wanted to spend some time with our family and just kind of ground down. You know, for me, I've been having a very hard time getting work done. We have footage from Dubai that was 2 years ago, we still haven't gotten to, because it's not easy. And I'm not complaining, but it's not easy to get work done when you're on the road. You're in a different apartment, you're moving around, it's nonstop, you know, and everything is video. So it just hasn't been easy, especially, you know, you get something on Airbnb, you don't know how good the bed is, then all of a sudden you're stuck with a place for a month.
And I was learning those days when we travel in Dubai, you know.
Yeah, she was learning a lot more, you know, about editing, and still learning and getting better and better, even though our videos are amazing. That's mostly her. So yeah, we decided to come to Sri Lanka and spend 3 months here, 2 to 3, 4 months here. We'll see. We got some surprise things coming up in the next few weeks, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, so we're in Anuradhapura. She's from about 30 minutes from here, rented a nice house, and so her family could stay with us, and her mom loves to cook for us, and we love her mom cooking for us, because we decided to put this time in for health and wealth, all right? I need to lose some weight, so I am going to Eagle Fitness here in Anuradhapura. I'm boxing 5 days a week. Not like I'm getting in the ring, but it's just boxing training to exercise, to, you know, to lose weight. And it's one of the greatest things. You know, I have a great coach, Damutu. I love it there. Just great people. Everyone's there.
Say his name again.
Damutu?
Damutu, yes.
Damutu, yeah. I just say things, hopefully they're right.
Yeah.
And as far as wealth goes, you know, we're building this channel, and because of you guys watching this, we've blown up all of a sudden. You know, we've gotten like 6,000 new followers on TikTok to go over 10,000 in the past 2-3 weeks. Our YouTube channel is going up, and we got some people approaching us on some special things, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, it's been amazing. So yeah, right now I'm focused on building faceless channels on YouTube. You know, it's a beautiful time to be alive, because with technology, with AI, there's money to be made online, no matter what country you're in. So I have 3 faceless channels I'm working on, where faceless means you don't have to show your face. They're AI generated. I mean, I do a lot of work. It's not like I just hit a button and everything's done. And then also working on our channel, you know, working on this, trying to put together the best content for you guys. And also crypto. I'm getting into crypto. You know, I believe crypto was illegal in Sri Lanka when we first came here, but now it is, and it's just great when you really know what you're doing. It's very risky, obviously, but yeah, so that is where we're at. That's where I've been spending my days, working nonstop, putting together videos, editing. And now we just decided to take a quick walk to go You know, in Sri Lanka, you don't have this necessarily in New York. You can't just sell stuff on the street. You got to have a permit. Or here, you got just our fruit guy. So I came to get 2 pineapples because I'm really feeling like I have a juicer back there and have some pineapple juice. Look at these bad boys.
පිට දෙන්න අන්න ආසි.
Wow, big pineapples. We got pineapples, we got banana, we got watermelon,
You need one
we
or
got
two bag.
papaya. Gonna get 2.
හොඳ
Two.
එකකින් දෙකක් දෙන්න. අද
So our friend right
Other
here
juice
cuts the
හදන්න
pineapple
පුළුවන්
for me. I don't even have to do it. Yeah, this is Anuradhapura, guys. This is where we're at right now. Hang tight. Let me get this done, and we'll talk a little more on the walk home.
Oh.
Home day, Machan. It's a little fun fact. Pineapple is great for your digestion, the bromelain in there. So if you're cutting your pineapple, don't throw out the skin. Keep the skin and boil it in a bunch of water and make a big pot of tea. Really good for you. All right, so we're walking home now. We got 2 huge pineapples and a thing of bananas for 1,200 rupees. That's $4 US. And I'm pretty. So yeah, we're gonna go home now and I'll show you guys this juicer and what I'm about to do. Make a little pineapple ginge. All right, guys, so we're gonna take what we just got, these beautiful pineapples, drop a little ginger in and make some juice. This is my baby right here, my slow cold press juicer. And this is my Instant Pot. If you don't have an Instant Pot, the best kitchen tool ever. You throw everything in, you close it, cooks in like 10 minutes. So let's get started. That door literally just closed by itself. Here we are. Look at all that juice. Pineapple ginger, baby. Nectar of the gods. That's the stuff. Cheers.